Hi, this is Bolly. Today we are going to unbox the twin docking station for Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S controllers. Also, we are going to unbox a new controller. Let's have a look what's in the box. In the box we can find the controller, some batteries, including paperwork, and we have 14 days of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. In the box we can find the dual charging dock. Also we have covers for Xbox One X or Xbox One. We have covers for Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S, and also we can find two batteries. We have a sticker of the Venom logo, and also the box includes a cable to standard USB-A to USB-C. Let's try it out. On the unit we have an indicator light which is indicating if the controller is charging or it has been already charged. When it's charging it's illuminating in red, when it's done it becomes green. This was the quick unboxing of the twin docking station by Venom for Xbox One Series X and Xbox One Series S controllers. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.